Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to design a financial logo design using the grid method. Make sure watch to the end of the video, and don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and ask me anything in the comment section. Have a nice watching. Select the line segment tool. Select a stroke color from here. And fill color none from here. After that, hold Shift and draw a line. Increase the stroke thickness. After that, select this. Hold Alt and drag to create a copy. Now I will generate automatically others copies by clicking Ctrl+D many times. After that, select all. Right-click on the mouse. Go to the Transform, Reflect, and rotate vertically 60 degrees. And copy. Again go to the Transform, Reflect, horizontally copy. After that, select all. And go to the Shape Builder tool. Select a color from here. Now, click and drag to join this part. Join every small part carefully. Hold the spacebar to activate the hand tool, so you can move the artboard. Join every small part carefully. Perfect. After that, hold Shift and select the shape, and drag it out. Select these extra parts and press Delete. Now select the line segment tool. Hold Shift and draw a line from the center of this shape. Now select all, and go to the Pathfinder. Divide. Right-click and ungroup. After that, hold Shift and select these three shapes. With the eyedropper tool, pick this color. Select this shape and choose this color. Okay, our logo design is complete. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, then definitely don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.